Hi everybody, this is Mike and from New Technology, and today I'm going to make a simple introduction to introduce our company. And as you can see, this is our front desk, and I'm going to show you our inspection room. Let's go. Okay, this is our inspection room where we have all the top models like dash cam and action camera, home security camera, and as you can see here. Okay, let's go. This is our office, and where we have all the engineers here. And that's our office with our salesperson. Okay, let's go take a look at our factory. And, wait a second. This is where our warehouse where we have some samples and stuff here, as you can see. And this is a place where we put our stuff. If it's ready to ship out, we put it here. And let's take a look at our factory. Let's go. Back here we are at a little factory, and we are working at a full capacity of 50K 4K dash cam. And as you can see, I'm going to introduce a series of production procedure. The first one is assemble, as you can see here. Come on, let's go. This is our 40 dash cam, and this is the share of this product in the 40 dash cam, and this is our PCBA, the motherboard. So here, so when it's down, we can put it on the test line and make sure it's okay. Let's go. Let's go this place. This is our aging room. So when all it's down, we're gonna put it here for 6 hours of aging test. So make sure everything is okay. Okay. Okay, that's all the necessary steps of us for make sure our product is 100% okay. And this is our clean room where let's go inside and take a look. So basically, we just we put on some. As you can see here, we put on the protective film on the dash cam. Sure. Also, this is our warehouse too, and we keep some stuff here also. Okay, this is our packaging workshop, and let's go. Okay, let's go to the next room. And this is our quality management section where we ship out before we just look at them carefully. And okay, that's it. That's the whole department of our company. Thank you so much.